You just want to long press on the attachment, that file right there. Just long press on it. Now you want to select Save Attachment. Save Attachment. Press that. It says Attachment Saved to Phone. Alright. Go to My Files and find it. That's this app right here. There's one on your phone too. It's called My Files. Click on that. Now, see the little magnifying glass at the top? That allows us to search My Files. So you want to search for the name of the file, which is USMC. And then hit the little magnifying glass. Right. There it is, right there. That's the file you just downloaded from my text message. You saved, that's the attachment you saved. So long press on that and select copy. That right there, copy. Just select it. So we press copy. Now see how it says copy here, but it's dim. It's not black. It's gray. All right, we want to turn it black. We got to go somewhere where we can copy it to. So we back out of that file. We hit the back button. Back button. So we hit the back button again. Back button again till we see the beginning screen again. Hit internal storage, and then just go down and find ringtones. There's ringtones right there. Ringtones. Select that, and now you notice the copy here is black. It's not gray. So you just select that copy here, and it will move it. It will move it to the ringtone folder. See, now we're in the ringtone folder. Watch it. It'll be here in alphabetical order. BQRST. See, there it is right there. Or you can put it in notifications. That is in, you just go to the search thing, USMC, hit search. Right there it is right there. Long press it, hit copy. Now back out, go to the first page again, and we go to internal storage, then notifications. Bam, notification, then copy here. So now when we go to our sounds folder, our settings to set our ringtone, it will be in the list. Sound and vibration, ringtone. Alright, watch, it'll be in the list because we put it in that folder. See, there it is right there. Reset. It's also in ringtones, like and notifications. You can set it as a notification also. Sound and vibration, notification sound. That's what I got mine as, but it'll be in the list. Watch. SMC, right there. See it there. Yeah, I might watch the video to find out what well, you know, that would do that. Alright, have a nice day.